010-1121-0051.
Hello, my name is Abdurrahman Yusuf. NIM 010-1121-0047.
So today we're gonna discuss about making a business call. Hello, I'd like to speak with Mr. John Smith, the purchasing manager.
Hello, thanks for calling ABC Company. Let me connect you to Mr. Smith. May I know who's calling, please?
Yes, this is Alex Carter from Tech Solutions.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. It seems that Mr. Smith's line is currently busy. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, I'd appreciate it if I could leave a message.
Certainly. What would you like to pass along to Mr. Smith?
Please let him know that the shipment of 300 computer sets has been delayed and they'll arrive on Friday.
Okay, the shipment of 300 computer sets has been delayed and will now arrive on Friday. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Got it. Is there anything else would you like to add the message?
Yes, please. Ask him to return my call when he's available.
Of course. Could I have your number, please?
Sure. My number is 12345-678.
12345-678, correct?
That's right.
Great. I'll make sure Mr. Smith gets your message and knows to call you back. Is there anything else you need assistance with?
No, that's all. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I'll pass the message to Mr. Smith. Have a wonderful day.